Okay guys, so we are at the Pitlane walk today. Alright, I think there are some photo shoots or something, the movies for Rapido. So let's see the Pitlane today. So this is the YAMAHA racing team from Thailand racing team. Alright, so this is Victor racing team. Alright, ONEXOX team. This is the Honda Asia Dream Racing with SHOWA. So Zakwan Zaidi is over there doing the signing. This is the Philippines Ducati team. This is the Kawasaki Thailand racing team. Alright. Right, this is the Yamaha Asia racing team running the R1. This is the Hongyong Yamaha racing team. They are running the R6. It's a huge crowd. Alright, come on. Alright, heading over to the Musashi Honda racing team. Musashi Boon Honda. So this is the Boon Honda racing team that runs the CBR 250RR. Alright, so let's see other things. Alright, so this is the ASTRA Honda racing team, the Indonesian Honda team. Alright, so you can see. See other things as well. This is the AP Honda Racing Thailand. This is the SIC team. This is the SIC team, okay. Alright, so here is the Indonesian manual tech KYT Kawasaki. Huge crowd, huge crowd. FTA Liquid Moly racing team. Yuzy racing team. Let's see what other teams. Huge crowd, huge spectator today. Very huge turnout. This is the Yamaha Indonesia racing team. Over here is India team for the Idemitsu Honda Racing. Honda Racing Vietnam. Okay, let's see. Right, Philippines team. Right, United Oil Racing team. BRP Racing, Dino World. Right. This is the High Ref Racing team. This is the Omar Racing team. Alright, over here is the Y-Pang Asia team. This is the Cardinals Racing team. One for all Racing team. And this is the China Racing team over here. Alright, basically that's it for the Pitlane walk around. Alright, so stay tuned for the racing later on in the afternoon. Alright, ciao.